Today we're at the South St. Paul Gun Club in South St. Paul, Minnesota. We're going to be connecting a Connect-Ease BB1K, which is a battery side and a machine side to this Promatic Sporting Clays machine. So, first of all, what I want to do is take our positive and negative connections for the machine, take off the connector that's on there now. I'm going to take my wire stripper, strip off about that much wire on either side, like so. First of all, what I'm going to do is we supply heat shrink, extra protection. These butt splices are heat shrinkable and they have adhesive in them, so they're doubly strong. We supply heat shrink with our trap machine connection kits. Put that on the wire first, like so. And we're going to twist the wire so we get a nice connection inside. We're going to insert it into our positive side of our connector. Spin it in there all the way up to the insulation on the wire. Take my crimper, crimp that together nice and tight. Got a good positive connection there. I'm going to do the same thing on the negative side. Twist it right in there like so, all the way up to the insulation. Crimp that one together. Now we got our heat shrink on. I'm going to take my heat gun, up it up to about 800 where it works the best. I'm going to shrink these two heat shrinkable butt splices on here. But since we also have teenagers working on these things all the time, our trappers aren't always the easiest on our equipment. We supply some extra heat shrinkable heat shrink on here to actually cover that butt splice for extra protection, like so. Like so, so you don't have any issues with these at all. I'm going to shrink that on. There you go. You now have the easiest and the best protection, tightest connections for a trap machine that you can. And all you need to do is plug it into the battery. Demonstrate the machine to make sure you know that it's actually working. Now we're just going to disconnect it. This is how easy it is to take this battery off of here. It takes seconds to disconnect these batteries. You're in a tournament, you know, batteries go weak. It takes a second to change them and move them forward. Connection, we've had these outside for years and years in Minnesota. They last forever. So thank you. See you at Connect-Ease.